What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video. Let's go ahead and get into it. It's the weekend. First up, we have this Ryobi deal from Home Depot. I showed you guys some deals a few days ago where it was a lot of stuff that was $79. Jigsaw along with something else. So here you have a jigsaw, a brushed drill from Ryobi, a one of the worst flashlights you'll ever use, a 1.5 amp hour battery, and a slow charger. Now, granted, those other deals, they were $79 and it was just two tools and they were tool onlys. Uh, I gotta say, if I already had a charger and I already had a battery, I wouldn't even pay the extra $10 for these things. But in a kit, and if you don't have anything, that extra $10, I mean, this is a good deal right here. All right, so there you go. There you have it, $89. I have nothing else to say. Weird, crazy cheap price. Moving on, we have another ladder, $40. This is just 5 foot, a 5 foot ladder, and it's a Werner aluminum type 2. Now, here's the thing I just thought I'd mention. Don't leave your aluminum ladders outside. Okay, the aluminum, especially in the sun softens the aluminum. It gets warped and it, gets soft. And over time, it will reduce the capacity. So this is 225 pounds, which means you and all the tools on your belt and whatever you're carrying up. So just keep that in mind. That's not super duper heavy, but you're not going up super duper high either. So $39.99, $40 there. There you go. Moving on, I wanted to talk about this Sunex pry bar kit for $14. I don't like it. The reason, I mean, they'll be all right for like little small quick jobs, but if you just want a solid set of pry bars without having a whole bunch of different tools lying around, don't get this. The reason I don't like this is because if you look at the bottom of the handles, they don't have strike plates on them. Unlike the Huskies. Now, originally the Huskies didn't have them either, but they do have them now. Let's see if we can get a good picture. Okay, well, that's a good enough picture. So you see this chrome piece on the end? That's a strike plate, so you can hit that with the hammer, and it helps you pry stuff off. It's even showing you here. See, it has a strike plate. So generally during the holidays, which is rapidly coming upon us, this is like $20. In fact, it's not even this. It's like this with some little picks. It's normally like $20. So I would just wait on that. You can get a much better set because I hate for you to have to spend that money now and then go back. Now, if you absolutely need them, obviously go ahead and do what you need to do. But usually this, and this is actually an even bigger set now. I think this might have been like $30 or so for all of this, these different picks, maybe 40, all these different picks, the pry bars, and then the scrapers and chisels. Yeah, man, wait for this to go on sale. That's pretty good with the lifetime warranties. So moving on, if you're into buying batteries, this DeWalt starter kit is $97, and it's a 4 amp hour battery with the charger over at Amazon. Okay, $97. I don't really comment much on DeWalt stuff these days, but me, I'm usually I want it in a kit type of person, or I need a free tool or something. So moving on, we have this SDS. This is SDS Plus, isn't it? Yes, SDS Plus Rebar Demon. All right, so usually when these things go on sale, I'm usually all over them just in case. I know I'll probably never need this, especially for rebar. It's unnecessary. But hey, and it's on clearance. This $32.97 is this normal price, and unfortunately, it's not giving us the clearance price. But if we go over here to BrickSeek, it does. So BrickSeek is showing us that it's $8.72. I've been trying to play around. BrickSeek's been weird today. I don't know what's going on, but I can't check any store inventory at the moment. Yeah, it's not letting me check any store inventory. I'll try to leave a link to see if it works for you. But hopefully, if you just change your shopping area, or you just may have to just go to Home Depot, you should see this for $8 and some change. Also, keep checking the website because I don't know, maybe it'll drop. Who knows? I don't know what's going on, but $8 there if you can get it to work. Moving on, same thing. We were just talking about paint sprayers, and we have this Wagner here. Reviews are, but we add it to the cart. We see it becomes $89. All right, so $89 is not bad at all for a decent paint sprayer. Please read through it though, because a real quality HVLP system is going to be a few $100s. Okay, at least $400. And then this is like an all-in-one type of situation here. Yeah, you plug it in and there you go. So, and it says it sprays unthinned paints. Just, I would say keep your expectations moderate. All right, get it by all means and see if it'll spray that fence or spray that wall. But me personally, I'm not expecting great things, especially from we look at the reviews, man. I don't know, but for $89, I would definitely try to spray a fence with this. So moving on, let's go on over to Direct Tools. Well, not quite yet. Let's go ahead and handle this Milwaukee deal, and then we'll be done. So over at Max Tool, we have this pole saw, blower, a battery, and a charger. Now let's talk about the battery because it says the 8 amp hour battery, but then the picture it shows the 9 amp hour battery. So you guys are probably gonna have a problem with this who want to buy this. I would definitely buy it, and then if I get an 8, I would hit them up. I would take a picture, a snapshot of this because they'll change it and say, this had a picture of a 9 amp hour battery. Then they'll say, well, then the description, if you read in the fine print, it says 8 amp hour battery. No. This is false advertising. You show me a picture of something and send me something completely different and then try to hide it in the fine print that I'm not going to get this. That's bait and switch. I need something. I need a 9 amp hour battery. You can have this 8 amp hour battery back. Or a refund so that I can go buy a 9 amp hour battery. So, just keep you aware of that. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what they're trying to do, but $289 over at Home Depot is normally $399, and it's actually sold out. So, moving on over to Direct Tools, and this will be it for the day. They have some deals. I mean, they have a similar deal. I just saw the pole saw. They also have deals on the lawnmowers. They have this newer 21-inch push mower, and it's $399. I wouldn't spend that much money personally on the lawnmower, but let's see what else do they have. They also have this pressure washer, which I was trying to figure out. Oh no, this is a GC. It's the Honda GC motor, $399. We've seen this a little bit cheaper. We've seen it for like $100 less before. So if you're not in dire need of one, I will hold off. But they do have, same for this as blower attachments, $40. I've seen as low as $19, but that was one time though. I think during the holidays the prices get a little crazy, but $40 is not a bad deal for that. Let's see, let's scroll down. All right, so this is the lawnmower I have personally. I've had it for a few years now. Works wonderfully. I just made a video talking about it, talking about outdoor equipment, I think like last week, and it was $279 when I showed you guys. It's $239.99 now. Not a bad price at all. I think it'll be cheaper soon, but not a bad price. And where is that pole saw deal? Oh, it's right at the top. That is a blower, isn't it? Oh, that's a little chainsaw. I thought it was a blower. Yeah, well, they do have the pole saw. Well, that's not a bad deal, that $150. We have to always remember, factory blemished. Factory blemished the same as new, but you don't want the refurbs. There was one more good deal, and it was on a pole saw. The cheapest I've seen this is $69, and here it is again, $79.99. Not a bad deal at all. Just remember, from Direct Tools, you're going to have $15 shipping fee. So keep that in mind and try to buy, all that you can in one swoop, because it's going to be the same $15 whether you buy something a bag of screws, or if you buy this whole pressure washer. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.